Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Antutu benchmark test results between the Realme 8 Pro versus the Realme X3 Pro device. So recently friends, the Realme 8 Pro has got launched with the Snapdragon 720G processor, and whereas the Poco X3 Pro has got launched with the Snapdragon 860 processor. So let's see friends, how much difference can it be there between the Snapdragon 720G versus the Snapdragon 860 processor. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more of future interested videos in terms of the comparing and all those details. And right now, as you can see friends, the Realme 8 Pro has got launched for 17,999, and still by the time I'm making this video, the Poco X3 Pro not yet got launched in India, so we are not sure the pricings of this phone will be there. So let's see friends, what will be the Antutu benchmark test results. So let's compare the Antutu benchmark scores side by side. So the Antutu benchmark score in the Realme 8 Pro, we can expect up to 2,85,000 to from 2,70,000 to 2,85,000 we can expect. So sometimes maybe even 2,60,000 as well. So average you can consider up to 2,80,000 the score. In the Poco X3 Pro, we can see the Antutu benchmark scores about 4,76,000. So it's kind of double the performance and 1.5 times. So that's a huge difference friends in terms of the performance. So even if you search for the Antutu benchmark test results for the 720G processor, you'll be seeing the scores around 2,80,000 mark only, as you can see. So right now I don't have the Realme 8 Pro. So definitely in the future, if I am buying, so I'm saying if, because there are so many disadvantages with this phone, so that's why better to watch that video. There are more than 10 disadvantages in this phone friends, so try to watch that video. So that's why I'm saying if I'm buying this phone, then I'll be able to make better comparisons. But right now, let's only compare the statistics based on the results, so which are available as you can see here. So these are the few results which you need to know. And if the Poco X3 Pro, if the price of this phone is getting launched for about maybe 18,500, then absolutely friends, this phone is a beast phone. I love the phone, the Poco X3 Pro, just because of the processor only. That makes completely next level experience using the device with the UFS 3.1 read and write speed as well. So thank you friends for watching this video. This is just small comparison between the Antutu benchmark test results. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on the Poco X3 Pro and the Poco F3 as well, which I did have the phone right now. So thank you for watching friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.